Exponential functions. An exponential equation is an equation where the variable is in the index. Examples would be things like y equals 2 to the power x and y equals 2 times 3 to the x, add 4. Y equals 2 to the x appears as shown below. This graph is very steep. Every unit you go across this way, it doubles its last y coordinate. The y-intercept is at 0, 1, and that's because if you have y equals 2 to the x, if x is equal to 0, y is going to be 2 to the 0, and of course we know 2 to the 0 is 1. The values here get very, very small. Think about 2 to the negative 1 is a half. So when x is negative 1, the value is a half. 2 to the negative 2 is a quarter. 2 to the negative 3 is an eighth, and so on. So it's halving all the way down there. But it will never get to 0. And that leads us to the concept of an asymptote. The negative part of the x-axis is a line that this curve will get closer and closer and closer to, but it will never ever get there. And that's the note that we've got here. An asymptote is a line that a curve approaches but never reaches. Now, just like quadratics, many exponential graphs, such as this one, are transformations of some basic exponential graph. In the case of this one, the basic graph would be the 3 to the x graph. Now, that would also go through 0, 1 and also have an asymptote down here. So we can often use these key points, intercepts and asymptotes, to see what the transformation is.